Hello everyone! This is a healthy, vitamin-rich recipe my grandmother taught my mother, and my mother taught me. I make it for my family all the time. I never really understood why my mother always got emotional in the kitchen. Every time she cooked this simple meal, she would pause for a second, like she was remembering someone. One day I asked her, "Why does this recipe mean so much to you?" She looked at me and said something I never forgot. "Because I learned it from my mother, and she believed food could heal people." My grandmother was never famous. She wasn't a chef you would find in a restaurant. But in our family, people believed she could turn the simplest ingredients into something that made you feel alive again. Today, I want to share that same recipe with you. And honestly, when you see how simple it is, you might not believe it has any secret at all. We only need a few basic ingredients: onions, tomatoes, potatoes, eggs, and a little oil. That's it. Nothing fancy. Nothing expensive. But my grandmother used to say, the value is not in what you add, but in how much care you put into it. Each ingredient has its own purpose. Onions are not just flavor, they are natural support for your immune system. Tomatoes are packed with antioxidants that help your heart and skin. Potatoes give long-lasting energy, the kind that keeps you full and grounded. Eggs are one of the purest sources of protein, helping your body recover and stay strong. And together, they create something simple, but deeply nourishing. I remember watching my mother cook this when I was a child. The kitchen always felt different on those days. Warmer, slower, calmer. It wasn't just about food. It was about taking care of each other without saying a word. My grandmother used to believe something very simple. When you cook with patience, you feed more than just the body. And now, years later, I finally understand what she meant. Because this isn't just a recipe anymore. It's a memory. It's a connection. It's a piece of her that still lives with us. So if you ever try this recipe, don't rush it. Just enjoy the process. And maybe, you'll feel a little bit of that same warmth too. Ending, CTA. If this story reminded you of someone in your life, leave a comment and tell me. And if you want more simple recipes with real family stories behind them, subscribe. Next time, I'll show you another forgotten family recipe. The one my grandmother said could bring energy back on the hardest days. Bon appétit, and you're always welcome here.